Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to learn a last searching algorithm for now, which is exponential search. Okay. Now in this one what we do, basically we make use of something called as bound. That is basically a range. Okay. We search for a element if that exists in the range or not. Not search actually, we check the last element if it's in the range or not. We double the range. Okay, we check if last element is greater than or less than the number that we are looking for. If we are not able to find in that particular range, we again double the range. Okay, we continue this till we are able to find the particular block. Okay, then in that particular block we perform the binary search. Okay, now that is what is called a exponential search. Okay, now you might be thinking, okay, in jump search we were also jumping to that particular block. Here also we find that particular block but in a different way. Okay, how? Let me show you directly. Okay, let's take one variable as bound. Let's take one for now. Okay, now let's take a loop while bound is less than numbers dot length and numbers of bound is less than number that we are looking for. Okay, now in this condition what we are checking, your bound should not go beyond the array numbers length, basically that particular array length, and the number that you're looking for is greater than the number in that particular bound. Okay, so you keep on executing this loop till that point. Reason of writing this while loop, the moment this is in range, right, and this condition is true, you want to multiply your bound into 2. Okay, bound is equal to bound into 2. So once you are able to find that particular range, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to call that binary search method, right? You will pass the array, you'll pass the number that you're looking for, and you will pass two things. First, bound divided by 2. When you're doing this, bound is equal to bound multiplied by 2, right? You know that it cannot exist before that particular area. That's why you're doing this bound divided by 2. Okay, and you will be writing math.min of bound or numbers.length because you don't want to go beyond the array length. Okay, so this is where you will be performing your binary search. And there was one thing I missed. I think in ternary search we were calculating block size, right? We are doing end minus star divided by 3. That we were doing because after every time you take a different block, right, that's where that end minus start was written. Okay, I mean some people got the question, some doubts regarding that. That's why I'm explaining this. Now let's come back to this exponential search. What you're doing here, you have a bound, you are calculating that bound is in a correct range. Okay, once you're able to find that particular bound, what you're doing, you're performing binary search in that particular range, bound divided by 2 and till that particular bound. Okay, so let me run this method and see if we are able to get the correct answer or not. Currently we are passing 8, so we are supposed to get true. Okay, so as you have seen, we are getting true. That means our logic is working fine. This algorithm is working perfectly fine. So that's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. Now we'll be starting with some sorting algorithms. Okay, that is also going to be really interesting. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.